and welcome to the Web Meta Global YouTube channel. All the answers to your questions about technological developments and digital marketing can be found on this channel. What is SEMRUSH? SEMRUSH is an SEO tool that can analyze websites' SEO and show industry competitor analyses. Who should use this tool? It can be used by content, SEO, and digital marketing experts. In short, what can be done in SEMRUSH? It includes domain inquiries, website traffic analysis, competitor analysis, as well as social media and content trends, along with backlink analysis. In website traffic analysis, you can generate reports by selecting specific time periods for organic keyword analysis. You can also see how position changes in the SERP search engine. In the backlink section, you can examine the links directed to your website. You can also see lost and 404 error links. On the displayed screen, you can see the visit and bounce rate percentages for Amazon.com and AliExpress with SEMRUSH SEO tool. In the traffic journey section, it shows where the traffic sources for websites come from. The paid version of SEMRUSH is $108 with 500 keywords and 5 projects. It's $208 with 1,500 keywords. It costs $416 with 5,000 keywords and 40 projects. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you!